Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into Snapchat, specifically how to declutter your friends list by deleting unwanted connection. If you find this guide useful, a thumbs up and subscribe would be awesome. Every now and then, we all want to clean up our Snapchat friend list, whether it's to get rid of old contacts or just simplify. Here's a straightforward guide to do it. First, launch Snapchat on your device. On the top left corner, you'll notice your profile icon. Tap on it. Once you're in your profile, scroll until you see Friends section. And then tap on My Friends. This brings up to your entire list of Snapchat friends. To delete any, simply long press on the friend's name you wish to remove. A new menu pops up. And in this menu, you'll see Manage Friendship. Tap on it. Within this, there's an option labeled Remove Friend. Tapping this essentially deletes that contact from your friends list. Remember, this action can't be undone, so ensure you genuinely want to remove the friend before confirming. And there you have it. Your Snapchat is now a bit tidier. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye!